a little kitten, soft and sweet, with tiny paws and bouncy feet. I pounce and play all through the day, learning as I go the feline way. Paws and whiskers, tails held high, chasing the clouds in the big blue sky. Meow, meow, it's a cat's life for me, learning and growing so happily. I've got whiskers to help me feel, balance so perfect it's almost unreal. Climbing trees and chasing streams, every day's a chance to learn new things.